So let's solve this question under minimum or maximum points. So find the value of x for which the function y equals x cubed minus x has a minimum value. To find either minimum or maximum value, you have to find the y over the s. Watch the video on the calculus again. I have explained this before. How do we find the y, the s? So you write the power, that is 3. S also subtracts 1 from the power. Then minus, we differentiate x, you get 1. We've done this before. So now that you find the y, the s, so we know that at turning points, the y over the s equals 0. So that means 3s squared minus 1 equals 0. So the first step again, we have y equals s cubed minus x. Then find the y, the s. So the y, the s is 3s squared minus 1. Then at turning point, the y, the s is 0. So set this equals 0. Now find x. Collect like terms. 3x squared will be equals 1. You know this is minus 1. If we cross the equality sign, it will change to plus 1. So this will be 3x squared. So let me show that. Divide both sides by 3. So that is 3x squared over 3 equals 1 over 3. So 3 will cancel out. So because we are looking for x. So x squared equals 1 over 3. So x will equals plus or minus square root of 1 over 3. Y plus or minus, because if you have square, it means you should have two answers. So that means s equals plus or minus square root of 1 is 1 divided by square root of 3. So we have to rationalize the denominator. So let's rationalize the denominator. So we have x equals plus or minus 1 over root 3 times root 3 over root 3. So we rationalize the denominator. Multiply this twice. So s equals plus or minus 1 times root 3. That is root 3 over root 3 times root 3. That is root 9, and that is 3. Root 3 times root 3 is equals to root 9. What is root 9? 3. So the x value is equals plus root 3 over 3 or minus root 3 over 3. If you look at this in the option, you have this, you also have this in the option. How can you now know which one is minimum or maximum? You have to come back to this place. Come back to this place. Differentiate again from there. So that will be the square y over the s square. That is, differentiate this again. So differentiate 3x squared, you get 6x. That is 3 times 2, 6s. Now substitute this value here for x. This will be 6 root 3 over 3. So the answer is plus, as in for that one. Put this one also here. So the square y over the s square will be equals 6, that is minus, that will be minus 6 root 3 over 3 if you substitute this. So if your d square y over the s square is positive, it means the point is minimum at s equals to root 3 over 2. If the y dx give you negative, it means the point is maximum at this point, minus root 3 over 3. So because the question says we should find minimum value, so and the square y over the s square is positive here, that means the minimum value will be plus root 3 over 3. So final answer now is root 3 over 3, which is the plus.